friends. Let's get started. When we're doing our sounds today, let's just use part of the words. Are you ready? Hands up. A says apple. B says bunny. C says cook. D says doll. E says elephant. F says fish. G says goat. H says hippo. I says inchworm. J says jungle. K says kangaroo. L says lion. M says monkey. N says nurse. O says octopus. P says pig. Q says queen. R says rat. S says snake. T says turtle. U says uncle. V says vulture. And W says walrus. Let's count our numbers on the calendar. Remember, it's February and there's 28 days this month, so we'll stop at 28. Please say the numbers as I write them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And 28 is the last day in February. Do you notice the glare on the calendar? It's because the light is shining and bringing the light back, and it's kind of hard to see. I'm sorry about that. Let's look at today's date. It's February the 9th. And today's a snow day for us. Yesterday, some of you got to come to school and some of you did not. And it was Monday, February 8th. That was yesterday. And then you went to bed. And when you woke up, it's today, Tuesday, February the 9th. And then when you go to bed tonight, you wake up, it'll be tomorrow, Wednesday, February 10th. Let's say the numbers in this column. 2, 9, 16, 23. All right, let's say our ABCs. I'll show the cards and you say them with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right. I'm looking for my shapes, just like when we're at school, we're looking for stuff. All right, see if you can say the shape before me. Star, rectangle, diamond or rhombus, hexagon, oval, triangle, square, heart, circle. And today we're going to play a little game. Well, before we play the game, we're going to go over this week's letter, which is letter W. And I can't find my pink marker, so we'll see if this orange one works okay. When we're making the letter W, we start up at the top and we slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. And that's really hard to see, isn't it? Let me try it with this marker. This marker is so much more narrow than the orange one. The orange one's a lot wider, narrow, wide, but this one's so light, you can't hardly see it. So let's try it with this narrow blue one. You start at the top and you slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. And that's the W, and it says watermelon. Take your finger and try to make it with me in the air. Slant down, up, up. W. Down, up, down, W. We've also been practicing the number 5, which is kind of tricky for a lot of people to make. When you make the number 5, you go down, around, pick your pencil up, top. And I was sort of teasing you and saying it was like a face and a fat belly, and then you put the hat on last. If that helps you remember how to make it, then use that. Down, around, top. 5. All right, now we're going to play a game where I put 2 letters up, and you try to say which one's the letter I ask you for. I'm going to put up a purple letter and a green letter. Which is the letter G? The purple one. The first one is G. The second one is V. An orange one and a purple one. Which is the letter U? The first one, the orange one is U. The purple one is J. One more. A red one and a yellow one. Now this one's a little bit tricky. Which is the letter W? The first one, the red one, is W. The yellow one is M. And the M and the W are easy to get confused because if you turn them upside down, one of them upside down, they look like the same letter. But usually the W has a slanted line on either side and the M has a straight line on either end. W and M. All right. For the rest of our work, we're going to read Jack Be Nimble. And you should have this coloring book at home. And I'd like for you to try to read this with someone at home and color the picture. And you can go back and color any of the other poems that we've already done. Poems are nursery rhymes. They mean the same thing in this instant. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick. And if you were at school yesterday, I taught you what the word nimble means. The opposite of being nimble might be the word stiff. Some people can't hardly move. Maybe they've been hurt or they're older or they've been sick and they have a hard time getting up and down. But when you're nimble, you can jump up, you can bend, you can move. If my fingers were stiff, I wouldn't be able to move them. But if my fingers are nimble, I can stretch them back and forth. Now today, I've also put out another video that goes over some other things we do in school. So I hope you'll watch that. I also would like for you to color this nicely. Color it in the lines. Don't just try to get done quickly. Color it nicely. And then watch the other video. And today, I would like for you to look around your house for any letter W's that you can find. I hope you have a great snow day, and I'll see you hopefully tomorrow.